know it's crazy to say it so early, but I really feel like I'm falling for Steve. I'm really excited. We're going on our first date tonight, and I think it's gonna be magical. I don't know, I just think we're gonna be a match. I can't believe it. It happens every time. I'm so tired of it. I really thought I found the one finally. Why does this always happen? I'm gonna die alone. You stood me up. I'm sorry, kid. I'm just gonna stay home and watch chick flicks. I can't let this go to waste. I mean, look at this makeup, it's beautiful. So, there's this guy. We've been best friends for so long. It's time to give it another try.